Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, simple and easy to make creative design ideas of hand embroidery. Yes friends, my today's entire video focus is onto a simple and elegant stylish pattern of all over hand embroidery designs for dresses. As you can see that different patterns and different stylized ideas of dresses have been made by using a very simple and easy technique of all over hand embroidery floral patterns. Friends, you can see that only a single flower used as a whole all over embroidery pattern have been used, and you can design your shirt, kurti, full length dress, maxi dress, gown, or flared A-line dress, short length, medium length, full knee length dress. You can design pleated side pleats, frilled frocks with a very beautiful combination of churidar or kalidar as well. You can go for creative and artistic design patterns or ideas for your sari blouse, for your sari pallu, for a flared very beautiful and creative Punjabi suit, kurti style ideas, for a Indian designer style pattern, and many more creative looks with these very beautiful and creative all over embroidery patterns. So friends, kindly do try these patterns, and all over embroidery pattern has a beauty that it looks elegant and at the same time is very easy and simple to make for hand embroidery beginners and embroidery artists and embroidery lovers as well. The purpose of my video is to share creative, stylish and amazing ideas on the basis of design, and we never tend or intend to copy someone's work and reclaim someone's work as our own. I hope that you like my today's design ideas, and if you really like, then don't forget to like my video. And if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. With this, allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.